Tammy O'Toole, graded assignment number 6, informed consent. Okay, first off, I'd like to thank you for your appointment today. You kept it, and that's the first step in showing that you're serious about your recovery. Before we can officially start, I need to go over some things with you. On top of the regular laws from the court and our state and county, I work for Shamrock Services, and they have policies and laws that I must follow as well. I take my clients' their rights very seriously. Your information, your privacy, your confidentiality are all very important to me and my agency. The HIPAA law protects your health information. You're here for your behavioral health, so therefore you are protected under HIPAA. You have access to your file that we have here for you. There are policies and procedures, if you would like to have that you must follow at the front desk. They can assist you with all of that. There are issues that I'm required to report if you disclose to me to the law. That may violate your confidentiality. A few situations might include if you commit a crime in my office or on Shamrock Services property. If you have a medical emergency, if you pass out, if you have seizures, or if something happens to you, we need to call the paramedics. I may need to disclose your confidentiality to assist you that way. If you report to me any kind of child abuse, domestic violence, sexual abuse, I will need to report that. If you threaten anyone or say you're going to harm anybody, I will need to let that person know, and possibly the proper authorities for that. And if for some reason the judge were to order me into court and requires my testimony, that may violate your confidentiality as well. This appointment's a great step to your recovery. There will be 5 sessions that we'll meet, so please allow at least 2 hours for each session. After session 5, which is our determined amount, we will determine how many more, or if any more, that you will need that we need to meet. You'll take home a questionnaire that I'll be giving with you today. I'll give that to you. If you would bring that back to me, please, at the next session. This will help me to get to know you better to make the best out of our sessions. If you get it done ahead of time and you're in the neighborhood, feel free to drop it off at the front desk, and they'll make sure that I get it. You'll get the same quality of service from me, regardless of your race, sex, religion, gender, ethnic background. I'm a licensed social worker, and I have been for 10 years. I've been with Shamrock Services for the last 3 years. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I want you to feel safe as possible in my office and at my agency. Your safety is very important to us all. It's a high priority of the entire agency. If you don't feel safe here, or if you don't feel safe somewhere else, please let us know. Please let someone at my front desk know. We will try to get you to a safe place to accommodate either for our sessions or for you to feel safe in general. If you feel I'm not giving you the best services you think you deserve, at the front desk, ask for a complaint form. If you feel I'm not the best social worker for you, we may be able to get you assisted with another one in the agency, and worst case scenario, at a different agency. There'll be no questions asked, so don't feel like you need to be afraid in doing so. The courts do understand that. The agency hours are from 6 to 8. My office hours are from 8 to 2:30. You can reach me here during those hours. 8 to 10, 10:15 to 12:15, 12:30 to 2:30 are my session hours. There are other social workers available if these times don't work for you. They also have set hours for appointments, same as I do. Once you start your assessment, today we're just going over our policies and procedures. Once we start your assessments, we ask you to keep the same social worker. Each social worker's hours are available at the front desk. If you want to go over and review which ones work for you, they are posted up there. Anytime outside your social worker hours, you'll have the hotline to call for crisis intervention. That number will be in the packet that I give you. It's also posted out in the lobby. If you have questions, let's take care of those. We'll get your paperwork signed. You'll receive a copy of your consent and treat. You'll get release of information and a packet about the agency, which includes the crisis hotline number I just told you about, and it'll include all of our hours. Here is your paperwork, your packet. The very last page is the crisis hotline. We'll have you sign the top 3 pages, and we'll go over each one of those. Do you have any questions?
Oh, no, I have no questions. I understand.